Being born poor isn't your fault, but staying poor is. That might be the result of unseen decisions you make every single day. Let me tell you a secret. Every 24 hours, over 4,000 people around the world become millionaires. Many of them don't come from wealth. What's their real edge? They think differently, act deliberately, and avoid the traps that keep most people broke for life. Today, we're diving deep, not into recycled advice, but into shocking truths rich people live by that most people never even consider. Stick around because the last few will blow your mind and might just change the way you see money forever. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. Let's get started. Number 1. They invest in frictionless money loops. Most people hustle transactionally. You work, you earn. Stop working, no income. But rich people? They create frictionless money loops, automated systems where their dollars don't rest. They reproduce. And guess what? This isn't some rich people privilege. It's a mindset, not a bank balance. Here's the mistake 9 out of 10 people make. You earn, you spend, and you repeat. There's no loop, only leaks. End result? You're always stuck on the money treadmill, working harder, aging faster with little to show for it. According to Bankrate, only 1 in 5 has enough savings to cover 6 months of expenses. Build a loop. Paycheck, savings, investment, passive income, reinvested. Loops create wealth. Leaks destroy it. Number 2. They save for freedom. People treat saving money like a guilt-driven chore. They throw a few $100s into a basic savings account every month with no real plan, just in case something goes wrong. And where does that lead? Nowhere. Their savings sit idle, losing value to inflation, currently around 3.5% annually, while they keep showing up at jobs they hate and calling it responsibility. This is financial stagnation, not strategy. Now contrast that with the wealthy. They don't save just to save. They save with intention. Their savings are fuel, money set aside to buy time, choices, and independence. Whether it's taking a 6-month sabbatical to launch a startup, investing in cash-flowing real estate, or hiring help so they can scale faster, every dollar has a purpose. Rename your savings goals. Instead of savings, create accounts titled My Escape Fund or Freedom by 40. Save to launch, not to pause. Use savings to buy assets, invest in side businesses, or pay for courses that move you forward, not just keep you afloat. So next time you move money into savings, ask yourself, am I saving for comfort or saving to change my life? Number 3. They outsmart the dopamine traps. We're all living in the dopamine economy, an environment designed to keep you impulsive, broke, and distracted. Social media scrolls, flash sales, food deliveries, and Netflix marathons all offer instant hits of pleasure. But here's the problem. Dopamine sells, but it also steals your time, your focus, and your wealth. The rich know this. They build emotional immunity against instant gratification and bet big on delayed rewards. You're swiping your card for a $20 impulse on Amazon because it's only $20. But you do it 15 times a month. That's $300 gone, and over a year, that's $3,600. Same with food delivery apps. Over time, these habits drain your savings, ruin your focus, and leave you wondering why others are moving ahead while you feel stuck in the same place, despite earning decently. Create dopamine deposits. Channel reward-seeking energy into workouts, reading, or investing apps where watching compound interest grow becomes the new thrill. Your bank account is a reflection of what you choose to feel good about. Real wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about focus, control, and the ability to say no to what doesn't serve you. The next piece of advice I'm about to share could be your breakthrough moment. Number 3. They use minimalism as a competitive edge. What if I told you that owning less can actually make you earn more? In a world obsessed with more gadgets, more apps, more goals, the rich play a different game. They simplify, not because they're cheap, but because they understand one powerful truth. Clarity is a competitive advantage. Every item, every commitment, every unnecessary subscription creates mental noise, and noise kills focus. That's why wealthy individuals strip away the excess and double down on what truly moves the needle. Middle-class families often fill their homes and lives with clutter. Multiple streaming services, unused gym memberships, overpacked calendars, and impulse buy electronics. Simplify possessions. They buy fewer things, but better ones. Think $500 shoes that last 5 years versus 5 cheap pairs that break. Streamline decisions. They eliminate choice fatigue by building systems. Mark Zuckerberg wore the same shirt every day. Less energy wasted is equal to more output. Minimalism isn't about living with nothing. It's about living with purpose. Number 4, they embrace productive solitude. Tara, 33, San Francisco. She was constantly stressed, juggling 2 jobs, and felt stuck. She started spending 30 minutes each morning in silence, journaling her goals and reviewing finances. Within a year, she launched a virtual assistant agency, grew her savings to $20,000, and quit her 9-to-5. People are addicted to noise. If they're alone, they panic, so they plug into distraction, notifications, gossip, media, and noise pretending to be productivity. But what they're really doing is avoiding clarity, and clarity is expensive. Without it, you'll waste years stuck in the wrong career, chasing someone else's version of success, and constantly wondering why progress feels so slow despite working 10-hour days. Rich schedule solitude like meetings. An hour each morning to think, journal, or just be. No inputs, no screens. They retreat to strategize. Billionaires like Bill Gates take think weeks, solo time just to read, reflect, and plan big. Stillness is not passive. It's a tool for clarity, action, and reinvention. If your mind is always reacting, it can't be creating. What if one relationship could open more doors than a 4-year degree? That's next. Number 5, they build asymmetric relationships. While most people network sideways, trying to connect with people just like them, the rich build asymmetric relationships. These are relationships where one conversation, one collaboration, or one connection gives 10x, 100x, even 1000x return. They don't chase popularity. They invest in proximity to power, insight, and opportunity. Wealthy people master the art of strategic networking. They seek mentors, gatekeepers, capital holders, idea generators. They build connections where value flows unevenly but exponentially. One great contact can turn into $1 million deal, or a mindset shift that changes their entire trajectory. Rich serve first. Instead of asking, "How can you help me?" they ask, "How can I help someone 10 levels ahead?" They invest in rooms that cost money, masterminds, coaching, paid events. Because $2,000 spent to meet the right 3 people is often more valuable than a $50,000 degree. They follow up obsessively. A 3-minute thank you video or thoughtful message can open doors a resume never could. You don't rise to the level of your talent. You rise to the level of your network. One relationship can be worth more than 10 years of hard work. Are your relationships just comfortable, or are they compounding? Because the truth is, your next level isn't a goal. It's a person you haven't met yet. What if your biggest productivity problem isn't time, but where your energy leaks? Number 6, they track energy, not just time. The middle class tries to be productive from 9 to 5, regardless of how they feel. They force creativity during energy slumps, burn willpower on useless meetings, and wonder why their side hustle never gets off the ground. The rich map energy rhythms. Some work best from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m., others from 9 p.m. to midnight. They optimize for their natural peaks. They take intentional breaks, walks, workouts, meditation, because energy isn't just burned, it must be recharged. Energy is renewable. Time is not. Protect it. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like, and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.